Hi guys! How are you all my friends? So have you watched the Olympic Games? So Spain is won! How are you all my friends? You know guys, this morning I see the Olympic, it's like a little bird on the screen when I click it, and then they give the instruction and I follow to that instruction, and immediately I have earned even a little bit, but I'm earning. So kinilik ko lang yung ibon dun sa screen, tapos sinunod ko lang yung instruction niya kung paano. Alam niyo ba, kumita ako agad. Tapos niligyan pa ako ng coupon. So, ang galing naman ni TikTok. Thank you, TikTok. Kahit maliit siya, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kahit maliit na amount sa effort na ginawa mo na sa maikling oras, 'di ba? Binigyan ka ni TikTok ng income. So, nag-share ako sa inyo nung info nung nakalagay dun sa screen. So, sinare ko sa inyo ng mga friend ko. Hope na i-click nyo siya. Tapos, follow nyo lang yung instruction niya. Step by step. So, makita nyo, pwede kayo kumita 500 more. And more. Kasi kung gagawin mo siya everyday during the Olympic Games, so bibigyan ka ni TikTok talaga ng income. Nakakatuwa naman. Kinilik ko lang tapos pinalo ko lang yung instruction niya. Ayun, may income agad na dumating sa aking account. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you rin sa Olympic game. I I'm earned a little money. Still money. So how are you all my friends? Hope you enjoy the Olympic Games. Oh, all my birds are singing. So how are you all my friends? It's me, Great Star. I did not inform you that I'm going to make live now. I just want only to share that what I received to these little birds. That is why I make live now. Gusto ko lang i-share yung nakita ko dun sa little bird na nagpo-post dun sa screen nyo. At saka yung mga sinare ko sa inyo during now the Olympic Games. So, i-click nyo siya. Tapos, follow nyo lang yung instruction na binigay niya. Ayun, bibigyan ka agad ni TikTok ng income. Nakakatuwa talaga. Kaya nag-live ako na hindi ako nag-i-inform sa inyo. Sorry. I did not inform you all that I'm going to make live now. I'm just only happy to share with you guys kung ano yung na-receive ko doon sa little bird. Na-curious lang ako. Basta kinilik ko lang siya. Tapos nung kinilik ko siya, meron siya mga instruction na binigay. Tapos dun sa instruction niya, pinalo ko lang yung step by step niya. After that, wow, kumita ako. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Kaya dahil sa tuwa ko, nag-live ako at gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So, i-click nyo lang yung Little Bird at saka yung link na sinare ko sa inyo during the Olympic game. Kasi, di ba, hanggang Olympic game lang siya. After ng Olympic game, wala na siya. So, 'di ba? Grab natin yung opportunity. So, kahit maliit lang siya, pero kung everyday natin gagawin, o 'di ba? Everyday meron tayong income. O 'di ba? Share ko lang. Hi. Thank you po. Thank you to all my friends who are joining me in my live and for following me. Just click the screen and share my live. Hi. Hello, my friends. How are you, everyone? Hope you are all okay. Aha. More like okay. Thank you. Hope everybody can share my live. Sana po i-share niyo yung live ko. Ayan. So, this is the fourth time na nag-live ako sa TikTok. Nakakatuwa naman. So, dahil mahiyain kasi ako. At before, hindi ako kasi pinapayagan na darling ko. Pero ngayon, okay lang naman sa kanya. Tuwa naman ako at very supportive siya. Ayan. So, next time, magbibigay ako ng topic. Ayan. About relationship, how to have a strong relationship before long distance. Can you imagine, guys? Kasi I'm a Filipina. Because I am a Filipina and my husband is foreigner. It's a Spanish. So, we have long distance relationship for a couple of years, and then he came to Philippines and we get married in Philippines, and after that we call together because he is traveling and I'm also traveling by the company. Ayan. So, I speak Tagalog also so that all my kababayan will understand. Okay? So, I'm trying to speak also English so that all my friends who are not understanding our language Tagalog, so you understand the English, correct? And to all the fluent in English, well, correct me if I'm wrong. Ayan. So, sa mga kababayan ko po, ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sana po i-like niyo yung aking TikTok, i-share niyo po yung aking live, i-follow niyo po ako, at i-save yung aking live video. Diba? Maraming salamat po. Okay. About my long distance relationship. Kasi, yung darling ko kasi nagtatrabaho siya as a lawyer. Ayan. So, nagtatrabaho din siya sa company. Malaking kumpanya yon. Ayoko na lang sabihin, okay? So, pinapadala siya ng company sa iba't ibang bansa din dahil sa kanyang posisyon. Mataas kasi yung posisyon niya. So, tapos, ako naman, pinadala rin ako ng company sa iba't ibang bansa din as a speaker trainer and network builder and health consultant. Kasi po, ang inyo pong lingkod ay naturopathy. Doctor of Naturopathy, certified and also certified therapist. Ayan. So, ang nangyari, parehas kami nagta-travel. So, hindi kami laging magkaroon ng oras na magkasama together. So, nasa ibang bansa siya, nasa ibang bansa din ako. So, can you imagine guys, for almost 5 years, long distance after nakasal namin. But now, sabi ng darling ko, stop ka na sa work mo. So, ako naman, magbi-business na lang tayo. So, since nag-pandemic, ayun, doon nag-stop. Hindi na ako nag-work. Tapos, siya rin, hindi na rin siya nag-travel dahil nga sa pandemic. So, hi, my friends. So, dahil sa pandemic, parehas kami na-stop. So, hindi rin ako makapag-travel dahil hold lahat ang flight. So, alam nyo yun. So, ayun. So, before pandemic, gusto pala niya, meron siyang schedule, bumili siya ng flight ticket papunta ng Philippines by that time. Pero, ang nangyari, yung Taal volcano, pumutok. So, na-hold yung flight. Na-cancel lahat yung flight. So, hindi kami nag-meet. Okay? And then, the second time naman, bumili uli siya ng flight ticket. After naman nun, nag-pandemic. So, can you imagine, guys? So, nag-pandemic naman. So, after ng pandemic, na-cancel uli yung flight. So, ayun. So, I need to wait another year. So, for more than 5 years. Ayan. And thanks God, we are now together. So, I am now here in Spain with my loving, handsome husband. So, napakaswerte ko, no? Kasi ang bait ng darling ko. Very supportive, very understanding. Ayan, sana all. Ayan. So, ang pinakamaganda kasi sa relationship, yung magkaroon kayo ng understanding each other. Tapos, lagi kayong mag-call each other. Tapos, ang tip ko rin, kasi I am sharing what is my experience. Ayan. Pag galit siya, tahimik na lang ako. Pag galit naman ako, tahimik din siya. Give and take. Ayan. Give and take, understanding. Ayan. Alam niyo, marami rin ako natutunan sa mga coaching, ng mga nakikita ko sa relationship. Ayan. So, kapag galit daw ang isa, tahimik ang isa. Tapos, wag magsalita. Kapag galit ka, wag ka sasagot. Kapag malungkot ka, wag ka rin sasagot. Ayan. So, dapat talaga, bago ka magsalita, isipin mo talaga magaling. Bago ka sumagot. Ayan. Tapos, can you imagine, guys? 8 years na kaming mag-asawa ng darling ko ngayon. So, bali, 3 years na ako nandito sa Spain. Ayan. So, sinasama ako ng darling ko kapag mamasyal siya. So, mag-travel siya papunta ng Switzerland. Travel siya o papunta ng Brazil. At ngayon, ngayong September o before Christmas, travel kami papuntang Pilipinas. Ayan, to celebrate the Christmas in Philippines. Kasi alam nyo, masaya ang Christmas at saka New Year sa Pilipinas kesa dito sa Spain. Really? I'm telling you. Iba talaga ang Pilipino. Lagi kaming masaya. Pilipino, ayan. Ang mga Pilipino talaga ay very friendly, loving, caring. O, di ba? Lalo na yung mga girls. O, di ba? So, sana share nyo lagi yung aking live. Tapos tap the screen. Ayan. Tapos supportahan nyo ako, please. Supportahan nyo ako sa aking mga videos, sa aking mga live. Ayan. So, next time, gusto ko magkaroon ng parang programa na like, Dear Ate Rich Star. Ayan. So, magbibigay tayo ng palitan na opinion, suggestion. Ayan. Gusto ko yung program na yun. So, gusto nyo ba yung everyday? Meron tayong 15 minutes. 30 minutes kasi ang minimum na time ni TikTok eh. So, gusto nyo ba everyday o every week? Para mas marami, no? Kasi everyday, halos from Monday to Friday, yung mga tao kasi nagtatrabaho, di ba? So, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday, yun yung rest day. Sunday naman, family day and church day. So, I prefer every Saturday, meron tayong Dear Ate Rich Star. Ayan. Ayan. Gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng opinion sa isa't isa. Ayan. O palitan ng opinion o share sa isa't isa about relationship, paano maging strong yung inyong relationship, at paano tumagal yung relationship for long distance relationship. Ayan. At tuturo ko rin kung paano mo i-handle ang iyong jowa na foreigner. Diba? Oh, lahat naman tayo kasi iba-iba yung personality, di ba? So, pero iba talaga ang Pilipino. Di ba? Ang Pilipino kasi ay mapagmahal. Ayan, friendly. Ayan, smiling. Ayan, and matalino, di ba? Madiskarte. O, diba? So, kaya gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng kwentuhan. Ayan. So, agree ba kayo every Saturday magkaroon tayo ng kwentuhan? 30 minutes. Do you agree, guys, that every Saturday I'm going to make live to have a conversation together about a long distance relationship and to build a strong relationship with the foreign? Are you agree? So if you are agree, type the comments. Okay? Yes, I agree. And then set and then set the time. For me, kasi yung sa Spain time, mostly available yung time ko like this time. At 7 to 8. So, maybe we can make it at 7:30 or 8:30. Hi! Hello, friends! Ayan. So, to those who agree that I'm going to make live every Saturday for our conversation. Ayan. For giving how to build a strong relationship with a foreign husband or a foreign wife. But for me, I'm sharing only my experience. Okay, guys? Ayan. So, I will speak Tagalog and I will speak English. Or sometimes Taglish. O, diba? And to those who are very intelligent and fluent in English, so instead of criticizing me, please teach me. O, diba? The best yun. Instead na i-criticize mo yung tao, turuan mo. Diba? So, yun. Hi! Thank you, friend, for joining my live. And thank you for supporting me. For supporting my live video. Tap the screen and share my live. So, if you agree, guys, type the comment. Agree. Every Saturday, I'm going to make live at 7:30 p.m. Spanish time. So, if everyone agree, type, yes, I agree, every Saturday, 7:30 p.m. So, is it okay with you guys? Spanish time, 7:30 p.m. every Saturday. Okay. Or, which one you prefer? 7:30 or 8:30? So, because for me, it's okay. Because 7 onward, I have nothing to do on that. I'm just only relax. Okay. So, magkakaroon tayo ng, ayan, palitan. Para bang, Dear Ate Charo. Ayan. So, ako naman, Dear Ate Rich Star. Ayan. Ako po, ay from, ayan, taga saan ka? At ano ang iyong nais? At paano kita matutulungan? Ayan, wag lang pera ha. Ayan. So, makakaroon tayo ng opinion sa isa't isa. Hi! Hello, our friends! Thank you for joining my live to all my friends. Ayan, touch the screen, and share my video. Ayan, my live video. Ayan. So, if you agree, every Saturday, magkakaroon tayo ng conversation. Ayan. So, type agree every Saturday, 7:30 p.m. Spanish time. So, check nyo na lang kung ano yung oras kayo meron. Kasi we are a different time zone with the different countries, correct? Because most of my friends is from Africa. Mostly, we just only a little bit the same time. I think I have 1 hour advance from Africa. I have a lot of African friends and followers. You know why, guys? Because I've been in Africa. I went to Ghana. I went to Hohoi, Accra, Mataheko, Ghana. And soon I'm going to Nigeria, Ivory Coast with my husband. We're going to visit our friends again there. Ayan. So, kwento naman kayo. Ayan. So, magkwentuhan tayo. Kwentuhan nyo ako. So, pinapanood nyo ba yung Olympic Games ngayon? Ayan. So, we have Worldwide Olympic Games. Ayan. This morning, nag-share ako ng video na kinunan ko. Kaso mo, hindi pala pwede sa TikTok. Hindi ko alam kasi sabi ni TikTok, copyright. So, hindi ko tuloy na share yung video na kinuhanan ko yesterday from the Olympic Games. Kasi sabi ni TikTok copyright. So, I need to delete. So, dalawa yung video na shinare ko from Spanish team, Switzerland team. Then I'm trying to send the Philippine team, but the 2 video the TikTok said it's a copyright, so it's not good for sharing. This kind of video that I took from yesterday in this Olympic game. Okay, so I'm not sharing. I delete already. Sorry, guys. I did that too. So, to all my friends who are sharing my live video, thank you so much. And to all my friends who are supporting me in my live video, thank you so much. Ayan. And to all my videos in TikTok, and to all my solid friends. You know, guys, hindi ko kasi alam paano ako magano dito sa TikTok. Paano ba yung mga group-group? Kasi nga, inosente ang lola mo. Ayan. Kailangan ko pang mag-search sa Google. Paano lahat gagawin. Diba? Ayan. Basta ako, click lang na ako ng click. Pag may nakita ako, kiniklik ko lang. Ano ba yun? Mga kiniklik kong yun. Ayan. Sabi daw, build a team that support your life. Okay, add. Paano ba yan? What would you like to call your members? Rich Star. Okay. Rich Star Club. Rich Star Club 300. Okay. Rich Star Club.